With overlong traffic problem, people tend to seek other alternatives in transportation. Khlong Saen Saep Express boat is one of the best solutions to this problem. However, there are both positive and negative feedback to its service. Let's have a look through the perspectives of the users of this urban boat service.
มันสะดวกนะครับแล้วก็รวดเร็ว
ไม่มีรถติดเกิดจากทางรถมันช้าเนี่ยนะถึงบ้านก็
ไม่มีนะ
ก็น้ำกระเด็นมันก็สกปรก
มันก็น้ำกระเด็นเข้าปาก
ให้ทางเขาปล่อยน้ำจากแม่น้ำเนี่ยให้มันใสแบบนี้
ระบบน้ำอะค่ะก็มีนั่งอยู่เราขับเรือเร็วก็จะเสร็จแล้วน้ำ
Now I'm standing at Khlong here, which is one of the Khlong Saen Saep Express boat stations. People usually use this service in the evening because they want to avoid traffic and get home quickly. In rush hours, Khlong Saen Saep would be a good choice because it saves both your time and money.
มันช่วยเรื่องราคาคลองแสน
The main reason that people use Khlong Saen Saep Express boat is that it is easy and inexpensive, and it is a good way to avoid traffic jam. The problem that they always encounter is that the water from the canal, which is not so clean, splashes in their faces. Therefore, they need the governor to solve this problem as soon as possible.